Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if battery health is stuck, not changing for months, shows service, or won't refresh after heavy use, don't panic. This is a common iOS behavior with clear explanations and fixes. In iPhone settings 2026, battery health updates are not real time and depends on specific conditions. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix or understand battery health not updating like a pro. So first thing first, let's understand how battery health works. Okay, so because this is very important. So battery health updates slowly, not daily, changes only after many charge cycles, and is an estimate, not a live meter, may stay the same for weeks or months. So no movement, the contrary of problem. Okay, so make sure you are checking the right place. So go to settings, go to battery health, and battery health and charging. Yeah, so check maximum capacity. Okay, peak performance capability. If the page loads normally, it's working. Okay, so you can also restart your iPhone. So a restart can refresh battery analytics. So power off iPhone, wait 30 seconds and power it back on. So then recheck battery health. Okay, battery health bugs are often fixed in updates. So go to settings, go to general and software updates. Okay, and look if there is a update. So install the latest iOS version if available. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.